Hi there everyone, this is a ProWorkflow tutorial covering our Outlook add-in which is available to all of our subscribers. So there's no need to go from platform to platform when you receive a client email requiring you to update or set up a new task. As long as the project has already been created in ProWorkflow, the Outlook plugin will automatically populate tasks from the email in a couple of clicks. So it's very easy to add that app from the Get Add-ins within your Outlook account across the Home menu here. So all you'll need to do is search for ProWorkflow. Great, and hit the Get It Now button. Once you click that, you will be prompted to fill in some basic Microsoft profile information. So just go ahead and do that and the install process will begin. Once installed, you'll notice on the menu bar 2 ProWorkflow cogs are now showing. As a one-off process, you'll be prompted to connect using your account URL or API key and your login credentials. The search menu allows the ability to search for projects, tasks, and companies. Updates can be made to tasks and contact details, which will dynamically update within your ProWorkflow account. So as an example, we'll search for a project. You may also search for a client. And alternatively, a task. Great, so task 1 of the rebrand project has been updated with a description and some allocated time of 2 hours. So if we head over to our account, we'll refresh that, and you'll see here that the task is showing here with the new description and the allocated hours. The new task menu allows you to add a new task to a pre-existing project. And as you can see, the title and the description auto-populate from the email you have currently open. However, they are modifiable. Right, so we'll create that new task that has now been created. And then we'll head over once again just to take a look at that being updated within the project itself. Right, and as you can see here, that new task is showing down the bottom here. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Please take a look at our other videos for more information.